Don't you hate it when your shoes get dirty and the white midsoles turn yellow and disgusting? Well, maybe you should just paint them black. Well, stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Thomas and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your shoes look brand new by painting the midsoles black. And before we get started, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Here are the materials I used: nail polish remover, cotton balls, paintbrush, Adidas acrylic leather paint flat black, and a sneaker protector. This video is not sponsored, but I have affiliate links in the description below. Here's the shoes that I painted the midsoles black. This is the Adidas EQT Cushion ADV Black Royal. After wearing this often, there's been a discoloration from dirt that turned the midsoles yellow. First, I'm going to clean the white midsole using a nail polish remover and a cotton ball to remove the dirt and also to remove a protective layer to make sure the paint would adhere to this EVA midsole material. I let it dry for about 5 minutes and started painting. The Adidas acrylic leather paint has its own built-in applicator or paintbrush inside the cap of the bottle. I use this applicator for more precise parts, and I use a regular paintbrush to spread the paint widely and evenly all over the midsoles. I made sure to use a light coat first and not to put too much paint. Just a little bit goes a long way. After it dried, I applied the second coat to cover all of the areas of the midsoles. I didn't put any tape on it because I know that I could do it precisely. But if you do feel that you're gonna mess up and needed to put tape, just go ahead and do it, but just know that even having a tape on it, the paint could still bleed. And if you've painted areas that you didn't want to get paint on, just use a Q-tip and a nail polish remover to remove the paint before it dries. When you're done painting, let it dry overnight. I went outside to spray the sneaker protector. It protects the paint from coming off and it repels dirt and water. I sprayed both shoes twice and let it dry for an hour. Here's what it looks like after wearing it every day for a few weeks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.